Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites, Node 16 Plus and Firebase CLI installed. This ensures compatibility. Once done, pick or create the Firebase project ID and enable the APIs you need in the Cloud Console so deployments work. Next, authenticate locally. Run Firebase login, then Firebase init and choose functions and hosting. This creates the project scaffolding and package. JSON files. Make sure to choose your project ID when prompted, and opt for TypeScript or JavaScript depending on your workflow. You now create the actual Canister artifacts by writing your function code under functions/src and exporting clear handlers. Once written, add build and start scripts to package. JSON, install dependencies with npm install, and run npm run build to produce distributable files. After building, configure Firebase. JSON rewrites so specific routes invoke the correct functions, and set IAM roles or service accounts if the canisters need special permissions. This alignment ensures runtime. You finish by deploying. Run Firebase deploy only functions, hosting and monitor the CLI output carefully for any failures. Once deployed, test endpoints with curl or postman and use Firebase functions, log to view runtime traces. If things go wrong, check build artifacts exist in the functions/lib or dist folder, validate environment variables used by the canisters, and confirm IAM permissions or service account keys are correct. A common fix is rebuilding after correcting envars, then redeploying. This resolves most deployment mismatches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.